Hi. Hey, I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube about how to break a piece of tempered glass or crash glass. Some people leave a really crucial part out, so here's how I do it. You're going to need some flat tray type things. For big pieces of glass, I use giant Rubbermaid bin lids. For smaller pieces, I use an old cookie sheet. Next, you'll want to put the trays inside some hefty bags or wrap them up in a tarp. And then I'm going to insert the glass inside the bag and on top of the trays. These little dudes are kind of fun to use to break a piece of glass. You don't have to use them. You could pound the glass with a hammer or the simplest way is to just take your wheeled nippers and nip the edge of the piece of glass. I'll put a link below in case you're interested in buying one. Your chances of getting some really cool shapes of broken glass are increased when you use one of these little guys. You simply press it up against the surface of the glass, and there's a spring motion inside that pounds the glass and sends all the energy emanating throughout the piece, which is why cool glass shapes appear. I did get some long shardy bits. And you see why you put something under the glass, right? Now I've got a nice, easy way to store it. Whoa. Dun, dun. Nice. I love those edges. I hope you can see why having trays under the glass as well as hefty bags to wrap it all up in is a really, really crucial step.
Hello.